And it was a big ball of fire just flew into the sky, and the whole gas station started shaking, and like little debris and stuff was flying over there. So I tried to keep the doors shut, not let customers out until the debris was gone, so nobody got hurt or anything. Once I seen the big ball of fire, I came outside, I walked straight down there, started seeing a bunch of like plane pieces, and like it just honestly like a human foot or something. It was in a shoe still, just on the side of the street, and but it's really tragic, and I just pray that everybody is safe, and I pray for everybody's family, everybody that's involved, and it's sad, it really is.
You just hear everybody say, get down, get down, get down. And when everybody say get down, we all get down. But I just see the plane is getting lower and lower and lower. It nipped the house. When it nipped the house, it hit a couple cars. Boom! And to the plaza, and to the Dunkin' Donuts, everywhere. I never seen nothing like that a day in my life. I have never seen nothing like that. You got dead bodies over there, cars burnt up as I showed you from the gym. It looked like a movie, like a movie. Like, damn, is this really happening? Then you hearing everything blow up, boom. Then you seeing the cars that was just there, they just going up in flames. Like, I think it's an act of war.
Anybody live? We just got off.
I gotta create storage in my phone.
Yes,